Bevel co-edged array. When nesting the same number of parts, bevel co-edged array improves material utilization. How to set the co-edge bevel. First, select the bevel parts to be cut. Set up bevel parts. Enter the plug-in and select the line to be beveled. Click on Bevel property. Support V, Y, X and K bevel. You can set different types of bevels on the same part. Click OK. Right-click the part and click the Bevel co-edged array. Enter the plug-in. Click co-edged bevel array to set up and group the array. Select Auto Nest. Check Part Group first. It will nest the co-edged bevel group first. Uncheck the part group first. It will nest a single bevel part first. For cutting bevel parts, bevel co-edged array saves material. Remnant can be reused to reduce cost.